Okay, boys and girls, we got two Surface tablets here. Now, both of these were blown back. And check this out. If I go to the About Your PC on this one, you can see the specs and also the version number. It's 10 Pro. Then, if I go to this one, blown back, you can see the specs, pretty much the same. And if we come back over here, let's see, it's also 10 Pro, but it's an older build. Now, what I like about this one is that the keyboard actually works on the older build. So my goal is to create two images. One, a base Surface image for reboot, putting Windows 10 Pro on whatever Surface tablet I want, and then I can just build up from there. Second, would go through SysPrep and prepare this thing so that way I can actually have this thing working on other systems that also need Windows. So I'll show you what I mean. Okay, I have this HP laptop. It's pretty old, and as you can see, it needs a boot disk. It actually needs an operating system. So this is one. After SysPrep, I'm going to try to put the image of Windows 10 on this unit. Also, I have this old tablet here. Now this is a Windows 8 system, as you can tell by the interface, or 8.5. So I'm going to basically blowing this out. Now this tablet is a piece of crap because the screen is damaged. It's not really going to be used for anything other than for just experimental purposes. So if I break it, I don't really care. On this one, it's another version of Windows. Let's see. That's a setup. It's also 10 Pro, much newer build. And this one has had stuff installed on it and uninstalled, and I want to clean it out. So I'm going to go back as far as I can go with it. So now that I've given you the tour of the systems that I want to mess with, I am going to go through the process of preparing these things and creating the images. So until then, goodbye.